Hello ChoroQ collectors, we have a bit of a mystery on this one. Google Translate tells me this says Special Police Riot Vehicle. And then on the front it says Toyota on the model itself. But I don't know really what vehicle this is. I have a suspicion it's a J70 Land Cruiser because it's got these lights here on the side, just like that there. But is there some other SUV or truck from Toyota that I'm missing? I don't know. Maybe it's like just a Japan domestic market truck or something, but I only know of the Land Cruiser that looks somewhat like a Jeep. Okay, well, I just don't know if these are the right photographs, but you'll see it is Toyota there. It's got round headlights and it's got the turn signal sticking out the side. So I'm guessing that's supposed to be like a tow winch or something. And this does cut up like as well, so yeah, I'm sure it is. Here's a front view. I'm not sure if this is the proper rear view, but the rear windows, you know, you got these two sliding rear windows, so that might be right. Alright, well, it's a green. It's not a metallic green, though, just a regular green color. And then it's got those orange turn signals we mentioned. I like that it's got the printed on wiper blades, but also printed on dirtiness of the windshield. I've never seen that before on any model, really. And then it's got some silver and black printing up here. This is all messed up, though. This one looks fine. Grill textures here in front of the windshield. Nice police lights up here. Clear plastic red. Good Toyota badge. Good grill. This is probably the base, I guess. This bumper? Or maybe it's not. Maybe it's a separate piece. Don't know. It's got like a weeping cat. So I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is. I didn't take Google Translate to that. And it's got some red tail lights. And what the heck? There's a propeller, so it's an amphibious riot police rescue vehicle or something. So it's another mystery. I'm not sure why there's a propeller there. So if anyone knows, please leave a comment. Nice silver and black up here as well. And then some rib details. And then there's asymmetric doors here in the back. Yeah, it says 2005. So we're going to do a wheel swap. You know, I don't really like these standard, 5-spoke wheels that you get from Choro-Q, so let's pop these off and put on some other wheels. Oh, that came apart nicely. There's some pins holding the motor down. And this seems to be transparent, painted all green, and the canopy is a separate piece. And also there's a blue melt mark there, but I guess that's holding the canopy down. Yeah. Standard Choro-Q motor here. Let's take this out and pop in a different motor with that I removed the axle from. So another mystery is I don't know where these wheels came from. They just came in a grab bag of Hot Wheels, but I don't recognize these from Hot Wheels. Are these from a Matchbox or a Majorette or some other Norev? I don't know. Please leave a comment if you know. They're very interesting. You know, they got a chrome hub and a chrome lip, and then the spokes are just that swirly silver plastic. But I think they look pretty good on a truck, so that's why we're popping these on here today. And in this case, it's a lowered truck. If I took more time, I could actually have the thing suspended. But for the sake of the video, well, actually, let's just see how easy it is. That's the beauty of this putty stuff. I could also just probably glue these wheels onto the axles, remove the stock Choro-Q wheels and glue these on. What do you know, so it does work, but I still kind of want to gravitate to having it slammed. so there's a propeller in the back. Really strange. Well, I do have a Land Cruiser here from Tomico Limited Vintage, the same parent company as the company that makes Choro-Qs. And they do have a green light. It's a Nissan Patrol. So we have that like really boxy look to them, you know, 1970s, 1980s utilitarian styling. And then ChoroQ wise, I have this Land Cruiser, and it's from JMS. I forget what that meant. It's some sort of shop. And this one I have no clue what this is about, what it says on the back. I did 3D print my own wheels on that one. I suppose I should swap these wheels out someday. Yeah, I'll do it later. Okay, so those are my Toyota trucks. Although this is a Mega Cruiser. This is a Land Cruiser like FJ40 or I think it's an FJ40. It's this one. It almost looks like a Suzuki Jimny, but it clearly says Toyota on the front. So any comments that could help out there would be appreciated. If not, hopefully you just enjoyed this video, and maybe you want to pick this one up. It's an interesting one. Thanks for watching, guys.